Great. Okay, now, that was a really great sense of timing then, because you said I'm done. You have to be really observant as the teacher, because these students have really come out, which is fantastic. And you want to make sure that they feel okay, that you felt like you had your time. So that's where me as a teacher, perhaps I realised I need to cut that activity a little bit shorter. Would you have preferred it if I had stopped it?
I think I just lost my concentration.
Okay.
I think it would be with the beat change.
Yeah.
Because I would like to do something.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good. So that's what you would reflect on in your journal, that you would like to do this, or you felt like you needed to stop earlier. Take a seat, but let's give them a hand.
Yeah, I was going to say, would it be more of a concentration or a confidence thing that they were the only two students out there?
Yes. I could have made a decision and said I need 8 people in here, and that would help.
Okay.
Okay, so now what we're going to do